Today I'm going to share with you Newline Display Management. This is our cloud-based web portal which allows for you to manage all of your Newline displays from one central location. Within the portal, you have the ability to name your panels as well as add them to groups. For example, this panel is labeled Conference Room. This makes it easy for us to identify it within the Newline Display Management portal. From the portal, I have the ability to add, update, or uninstall any apps. To add an app, all I have to do is make sure that I have an APK file. For example, I'd like to add Google Chrome to my panel here. To do so, I need to use the portal. Now you can see that Chrome is added to my panel. One of the nice features of the Newline Display Management is the ability to set a custom screensaver. You can add pictures and videos as well as set a timer for when the screensaver will start. Another feature of the portal is the ability to control the settings. For example, you can adjust the time and date, you can adjust the volume of the panel, you can set a power on and off schedule, or you have the ability to switch sources. An important feature of Newline Display Management is the ability to send information quickly. From inside the portal, just type your message and tap Send. The message will then appear on the panel. The notification will stay on the screen until someone reads and actively dismisses the notification. The last feature of Newline Display Management that I'm going to share with you today is the ability to control which panels are on and off. For example, you have the ability to manually restart or power off the display. You can now see that the panel is powering off. These are just some of the great features of Newline Display Management.